Understanding the phrase, run the mile, an English learning guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, run the mile. This phrase is not just about athletics. It carries deeper meanings and uses in everyday English. Let's dive in and understand it together. Run the mile literally refers to the act of running a distance of 1 mile. A mile is approximately 1.609 kilometers. In athletics, it's a common distance for races and is often used to test endurance and speed. In a figurative sense, run the mile can mean to complete a challenging task or to persevere through difficulty. It's often used to describe situations where someone puts in a lot of effort to achieve a goal. Similar to how an athlete would train and push themselves to complete a mile race. Let's see some examples. 1. She really ran the mile with that project. Here, it means she put a lot of effort into completing the project. 2. I need to run the mile on my studies to pass this exam. This implies putting in extra effort or going the extra distance in studying. Some might confuse run the mile with go the extra mile. While similar, go the extra mile specifically means doing more than what is expected, whereas run the mile focuses on the effort or challenge in completing a task. In casual conversations, you might hear phrases like, "Are you ready to run the mile on this project? I've been running the mile with my fitness routine." And that's a wrap on Run the Mile. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and remember, language learning is a marathon, not a sprint. See you in our next video.